So here we have the Matrix S. Now the Matrix S is part of our broader Matrix system here at Hayfleet. This one is an easy to install twin-walled system, and it boasts a massive 35 kilogram payload runner, which is a full extension runner. Now where they've been clever, what we've looked at is we've managed to put a slow closing dampening system in, kind of what you'd expect from German quality, but it gives you a lovely fluid continuous action every time you use it. What we've really looked at on the S is the aesthetics, is the attention to detail. So you can see we've got this lovely minimalistic depth here. The idea is that when the end consumer's using and operating their drawers, they shouldn't see any of the functioning parts. We've hid that on the inside of the runner. Now the idea behind that is the installer can do his adjustments and move the fascia in increments as he so wishes, and afterwards he puts a lovely colour-coded cap on, never to be used again. With this system, we've incorporated it around a 16mm back and base. And why have we done them both in the same size board? It's so you have minimal wastage as you're cutting your boards. We also have included back clips for it, so it's nice and easy to assemble every time. We've got fascia clips for it, we've got the drawer cap covers, and we also have, more importantly, the right screws to do the job. So guys, we've now assembled our back, base and drawer. Here we have our Matrix S again. So, how do we install it? Simply pull your runners forward, lay your drawer into position, push your drawer back and push and wait for the click. Once we've got the click, we know we're somewhere close. We've assembled our drawer fascias onto our faceplate. Once we've done that, make sure that you've sat your drawer nice and comfortably over the lugs. Once they're in position, all you simply do is push. Now we have our drawer all in situ and sat working. So once you've placed it into situ and set the drawer back into position, you'll normally find that it's sat pretty much spot on to where you need it. However, should you find you need to move the drawer front for some alignment, we can do this. So what you have over here, and if you guys want to come over we can see, you have different forms of adjustment. So first of all, we're going to cover off the height adjustment. Now that gives you 2mm plus and minus in different increments, meaning you should have more than sufficient to align this correctly. So to do so, we use an oscillated cam at the back here, and all you're going to do is keep turning it until you see the drawers aligned in the exact position you so wish. So once we've done that on both sides and got our drawer running correctly in height, we then may need to tune the sides a little bit. So to do that, we have a nylon bush sat here, and all we're going to do with this is turn the nylon bush one way or the other. So if you do it in or out, you'll find that you then get a movement of 1.5mm to the left or 1.5mm to the right. Now, to take the drawer front off, some people may wish to do this. All we do is place our screwdrivers into a stop position up here on the top and turn it halfway, and you'll see it levers the drawer front naturally. Again, on the other side, we've got the same position, meaning we can take our drawer front off. So, to place our drawer front back on, all we do is align these up with the lugs. Once they sit into position, simply push on and they sit true. Now, once we've done this, we want to fit our cover caps, so aesthetically it's as pleasing as can be. To do this, I simply line them up and push them on. Now you can see, we've talked about previously the aesthetics of this drawer. The end consumer, every time they operate it, they see nothing but pure minimalistic detail. And all of this is covered by our Hayfleet exclusive warranty. So you're going to remove it in one fluid action. Now the idea is that you can't have it out and pull it up. It will not move and detach from those runners, and that's kind of a bit of a safety aspect. So what you need to do is pull it out and up in one fluid motion, and it's very simple to do. This enables us to be able to service, or if something's dropped behind the back of the drawer boxes, still get to them, but it also means that it's not going to cause us any issues in the future. So again, to demonstrate that one last time, is you're just going to go out and up in the same motion.